हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आप हमारे इस चैनल आरबीएस फिजिक्स पर पहली बार आए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें, बेल आइकन दबाएं, ऑल करें, जिससे कि हमारे वीडियो के अपलोड होते ही इसके नोटिफिकेशंस आपको मिल जाएं। हम लोगों ने कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ सेल्स पढ़ा है और कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ सेल्स में हम लोगों ने ऐसे सेल्स पढ़े जो आइडेंटिकल सेल्स हैं। आइडेंटिकल सेल्स में हम लोगों ने पढ़ा था कि इन सीरीज इफ external resistance is greater than the internal resistance, then we get more current. In parallel, when R is smaller than the internal resistance, total internal resistance, or say equivalent resistance, and then we get the more current. But in mixed grouping, R, that is external resistance, must be equal to the total Rn upon M, where N is the number of cells in one series and this is number of series. This is the total internal resistance. The external resistance must be equal to the internal resistance and then we get maximum current. ये चीज़ें हम लोगों ने इसके पहले देखी है, इसके पहले के लेक्चर में वो पढ़ा भी है। लेकिन मान लिया हमारे पास जो सेल्स हैं वो 3 सिमिलर सेल्स हैं एंड वी कनेक्ट देम। सपोज द सेल्स आर कनेक्टेड इन सीरीज। वन सेल इज अदर और इन दिस वे देयर आर n cells connected in series. There is an external resistance like this. This is R. The internal resistance is different, R1, R2 and Rn, and their EMF are different, E1, E2 and En. As we know that in series the equivalent EMF is equal to the sum of the EMFs, that is total E is equal to E1 plus E2 plus E3 and is equal to En. This is the total EMF of the combination, and the total internal resistance as we know that they are series. They are in series and therefore R is equal to R1, R2 and Rn, and hence the current is equal to E upon R plus R. This is current in the circuit. This is current in the circuit. And now if the values are given, we can substitute the values, we can calculate E, calculate R, and R is given and the current can be calculated. Now in parallel combination, the cells are connected like this, one cell, second cell, और इस तरह से there are n cells connected in parallel. R is the external resistance, R1, R2 and Rn are the internal resistance. Their EMF are E1, E2 and En. And therefore the equivalent internal resistance one upon R equivalent is equal to 1 upon R1, 1 upon R2, 1 upon Rn. This is the value of equivalent internal resistance, and therefore we can find the value. If the value is given here, we can calculate, and therefore R equivalent is equal to 1 upon R1, 1 upon R2, 1 upon Rn to the power -1. नीचे है उलट दिया तो ऊपर चला गया, and therefore the equivalent EMF E equivalent this is equal to E1 upon R1, E2 upon R2, and En upon Rn. This is E1 upon R1, E2 upon R2, E3 upon R3, and upon 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 and 1 upon Rn. This is the equivalent EMF when they are connected in the parallel. Now the current in the circuit I is equal to current in the circuit is equal to E1 upon R1, E2 upon R2, En upon Rn, and therefore I is equal to 1 upon 1 plus R, 1 upon R1, 1 upon R2, 1 upon R3, 1 upon Rn. This is the current in the circuit in parallel combination. Now there are examples, let us see. Three cells of EMF 2 volt, 1.8 volt and 1.5 volt are connected in series. 2 volt, 1.8 volt and 1.5 volt. 2, 1.8 and 1.5 volt are connected in series. They are connected in series. Their internal resistances are R1 is equal to 0.05, R2 is equal to 0.7 and R3 is equal to 1 ohm. The external resistance is 4 ohm. तो फर्स्ट total current in the circuit. The total, they are in series, therefore the total EMF is 2, 1.8, 1.5. This is the total EMF. The total EMF E is equal to 2 plus 1.8 plus 1.5 volt is equal to 8.8513 213 to 5.3 volt, and the total resistance R plus R. The total resistance is the resistance, internal resistance in series, and in series is external resistance, that is R. So R and R, R1, R2, R3, this is equal to 0.5, 0.7, 1 and 0.4, 5.75. And therefore current, ये फर्स्ट है, इसका फर्स्ट भाग, and therefore current I is equal to E upon R plus R. E is 5.3 and R plus R is 5.75. Let's divide it. इसको डिवाइड करेंगे तो आएगा 530 upon 575. Divide. This is the current in the circuit. The total current flowing in the circuit is this I. Now second, potential difference across the terminal of 1.5 volt cell. 1.5 volt cell V is called terminal विभवता निकालना, V is equal to E minus IR. E is equal to 1.5 given, I is 0.9 and R is 1. This is 0.6 volt. This is the terminal potential difference of this cell. two identical cells joined together, whether in series or in parallel, give the same current with external resistance 1. Find the internal resistance of the cell. The cells are identical and therefore the EMF and internal resistance both are equal. Let EMF is equal to E and internal resistance is equal to R. Now they are connected in series. In series, total EMF. In series, the EMF is added. सीरीज में जोड़े गए हैं. सीरीज का मतलब एक यहाँ जुड़ा और फिर ये जुड़ गया. तो अगर ये ई है, ये भी ई है, तो टोटल बराबर हो गया ई प्लस ई बराबर 2ई. तो इन सीरीज टोटल में बराबर 2ई एंड टोटल रेजिस्टेंस is equal to R. The resistance external circuit and R plus R. R plus R बराबर 2R. That is, this is equal to 1 plus 2R. Because R is given 1 ohm. Hence, current I (2E) upon 1 plus 2R. Now, when they are connected in parallel, the EMF is equal to the EMF of one cell. In parallel, EMF is equal to E. जितना इसका उतना इसका, इसलिए इसके बीच जो EMF होगा वो E होगा. तो in parallel EMF is equal to E and total resistance is equal to R is here. Or R they are in parallel, therefore the total internal resistance is R by 2. This is R by 2, which is equal to 1 plus R by 2. We can write it like 2 plus R by 2. And hence current. And therefore current this is I1 and this is I2. You say E upon 2 plus R by 2. 2E upon 2 plus R. Comparing 1 and 2, दोनों बराबर हैं, दोनों करंट बराबर है. I1 is equal to I2. You can write it that I1 is equal to I2. कर दिया बराबर. तो ये हो गया आपका 2E upon 1 plus 2R is equal to 2E upon 2 plus r. Therefore 1 plus 2r is equal to 2 plus r. Therefore r is equal to 2 minus 1 बराबर 1. Therefore the internal resistance of the cell is equal to 1 ohm. Internal resistance of the cell is 1 ohm. Now let us say another example. Four cells are connected in parallel, and two resistance 15 ohm are connected in parallel, and they are connected in the circuit in series. The EMF of all the cells is 2 volt, but the potential difference, because the EMF is same, the potential difference between these 2 points is 1.6 volt. The potential difference is 1.6 volt, EMF is equal to 2 volt. We have to find out the internal resistance of the cell. This is the external resistance. Now, suppose there is a circuit and external resistance is R, internal resistance, and the EMF is E, and the potential difference of the terminals is V. So we know that the current in the circuit is given by E upon R plus R. This is the current for the whole circuit, but the current of the whole circuit is equal to the current in the external circuit and equal to the current in the internal circuit, and this is also equal to the current in the external circuit, that is V upon R. So whether you calculate, if E is given, R and R is given, you can calculate I by this formula, and if external resistance is given, not internal, and the terminal potential is given, then you can calculate the current by this. Now from this we know that E upon V is equal to R plus R upon R. Divide by R, we get that E upon V is equal to 1 plus R upon R. 1 को हम इस तरफ ले आते हैं तो we'll get 1E minus V upon V is equal to R upon R, and therefore the internal resistance can be calculated by this, and therefore R is equal to E minus V upon V into R. So if E, V and external resistance is given, internal resistance can be calculated. Now using this, as R is equal to E minus V upon V into R. Putting the values. Here we know that R is equal to E is given 2 and V is given 1.6. 1.6 and but R 15 ohm and 15 ohm, they are in parallel. Agar equal resistances are in parallel, if equal resistances are in parallel, this is R, this is R, then in parallel this is equal to R by 2. पैरेलल में ये अगर इक्वल हैं तो आधे हो जाएंगे, अगर 2 हैं, 3 होंगे तो 1/3 हो जाएंगे. तो देयरफॉर R इज इक्वल टू 15/2. This is equal to 0.4 upon 1.6 into 15/2. You can write it like 4/16 into 15/2. 4 ja. This is equal to 15/8 that is this is equal to 1.6 now 15/8 ohm. But this is the equivalent resistance. For this circuit, the resistance, internal resistance is equal to R. They are in parallel. And therefore, the equivalent resistance is equal to R by 4. So this is, you can write it that equivalent. Now, equivalent resistance is equal to R by 4. Because the cells are connected in parallel and therefore we have to find out the internal resistance of one cell. ये जो हमने calculate किया, this is the equivalent internal resistance of all the cells, and therefore R by 4 बराबर 15/8, and therefore R is equal to 15/8 into 4 is equal to 7/5 ohm. Therefore, the internal resistance of the cell is 7.5 ohm. This is internal resistance of all the cells. There are 4 cells, they are connected in parallel. Therefore, the total internal resistance is equal to 15/8, and therefore that of one cell is 7.5 ohm. A network of resistances given here. Here 4 ohm and 4 ohm, the two equal resistances are connected in parallel between A and B. These are in parallel. Therefore, the equivalent resistance RAB is equal to, अब क्योंकि पैरेलल में है तो अगर इक्वल है तो उसी का आधा हो जाएगा, अगर नहीं आधा तो ऐसा कर लेते हैं, इन पैरेलल दे मल्टीप्लाई एंड ऐड. दिस इज इक्वल टू 4 into 4/8 2. तो ए और बी के बीच में टोटल रेजिस्टेंस 2 ओम है और बी और सी के बीच में 1 ओम है. दिस इज इन सीरीज नाउ. आर ए बी एंड आर बी सी आर इन सीरीज. हियर 12 and 6 ohm are in parallel. The equivalent resistance RCD is equal to, they are in parallel, 12 into 6 upon 12 plus 6 is equal to 12 into 6 divided by 18, that is 4 ohm. And therefore, the first one, compute equivalent resistance, and therefore equivalent resistance is RAD. जोड़ दिया सबको, 2 plus 1 plus 4 is equal to 7 ohm. This is the equivalent resistance. ऑफ द सर्किट। जो रेजिस्टेंस से जोड़े गए ये इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस हो गया टोटल। पहला है कंप्यूट इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस। फाइंड करंट in each resistor. First we have to find out the total current in the circuit. To find out the total current in the circuit, we have to calculate the total resistance in the circuit and total EMF of the circuit. Total EMF of the circuit is 16 volt and total resistance is from here to here. The resistance is 7 ohms and 1 ohm is the internal resistance of the cell. So the total resistance in circuit is equal to 7 plus 1 is equal to 8 ohm, and therefore current in the circuit I is equal to 16 by 8 is equal to 2 ampere. Now current is 2 ampere. Here the current is 2 ampere. The current comes here. These resistances are equal and therefore the current will be equal. The current in this resistance and current in this resistance both are equal. That is half of the total current. इसलिए करंट इन 4 ohm each is equal to 2 by 2 is equal to 1 ampere. हमने दो भागों में बांट दिया। 2 ampere यहाँ आई, 1 ampere इधर चली गई, 1 ampere इधर चली गई, because the resistances are equal. इसलिए the current will be divided. Here I1 and I2 both are equal. Current in 4 ohm each is equal to 2 upon 2 is equal to 1 ohm. Since I1 and I2 both are equal. Now current in 1 ohm is the same. Current in 1 ohm is 2 ampere. तो ये इसके अंदर 2 ampere की करंट बहेगी क्योंकि पूरी करंट यहाँ आगे फिर इकट्ठी हो जाएगी। And this current, total current flowing in this circuit is 1 ohm. Now here the current will be divided according to the resistance. Here the resistances are not equal. If the resistances are not equal, the smaller resistance will allow more current and the higher resistance will allow less current. तो current in 12 ohm, यहाँ टोटल 2 आएगी तो 2 का इसमें और इसमें बढ़ जाएगा। दी करंट इन 12 ohm, this is you say I3 and you say this is I4. तो I3 is equal to the total resistance नीचे 6 plus 12 and 6 बिलो अनुपाती होता है, इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल। जिसमें ज़्यादा रेजिस्टेंस होगा उसका कम करंट जाएगी, इसलिए 6 यहाँ ऊपर आ जाएगा। 6 अपॉन द टोटल रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ द करंट, टोटल करंट, यानी टोटल करंट का इतना हिस्सा। इसको हम ऐसे कहते हैं कि द करंट I3 इज इक्वल टू, इसमें करंट जाएगी तो R1 अपान R1 प्लस R2 ऑफ टोटल करंट आई। तो ये करंट निकालने का ये तरीका है। दूसरा तरीका ये था कि इसके बीच का हम पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस निकाल लेते, तो इसमें करंट और इसमें करंट निकाल आते। बट दिस इज इजी। उदाहरण के तौर पर मान लीजिए इसको हम इस तरह समझ सकते हैं। मान लीजिए यहाँ पर रेजिस्टेंस है, यहाँ रेजिस्टेंस है और हम इसकी टोटल करंट को जानते हैं। वी नो द टोटल करंट आई। देन करंट इन दिस और करंट इन दिस, सपोज दिस इज I3 and this is I4 and this is R1, this is R2. Then current इन R1 यानी I3, ऐसे कहिए I3 निकालनी है तो हम क्या करेंगे, इस पूरी करंट का I का, क्योंकि इसमें करंट निकालनी है इसलिए R2 रखेंगे, R2 अपान R1 प्लस R2, और I4 निकालेंगे तो R1 रखेंगे, यानी I का R1 अपान R1 प्लस R2। इसी विधि से हम निकाल लेते हैं। द करंट इन 12 ओम इज 6/6 प्लस 12 इंटू 2, दैट इज इक्वल टू 6/18 इंटू 2 is equal to 2/3 ampere. Current in 6 ohm is equal to 12/6 plus 12 into 2. This is equal to 12 into 2/18, 6 2 जा 6 3 जा 4/3 ampere. So these are the currents in these resistances. Here 1 ampere, here in total 2 ampere. In this it is 2/3 ampere. And this resistance is 4/3 ampere, and therefore if you total current in both is equal to 4/2 3 and 2/3 is equal to 2 ampere. तो that's all for today. वीडियो देखने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। यदि इस चैप्टर में किसी भी प्रकार का डाउट होता है तो आप हमारे कमेंट सेक्शन अथवा हमारे सोशल साइट पर जाकर पूछ सकते हैं, जिसका लिंक हमारे डिस्क्रिप्शन पर दिया हो।